Cell borders help visually organize your data, which makes them a useful formatting feature. We have the Places to Visit spreadsheet here, which should be familiar to you if you have watched some of my other videos. Let me quickly add a column and row so that we will be able to see the cell borders a little bit better once we add them. Okay, that's better. To add a cell border, select a cell or range. Next, click the Borders button on the toolbar. A Borders Options menu displays where you can choose where you want the borders to appear. The options include all, inner, horizontal, vertical, outer, left, top, right, and bottom. There is also a clear option to remove the borders. To the right of these are the border color options. Below the border color options are the border style options where you can choose a solid, dashed, dotted, or double-lined border. Now that we understand the border options, let's add a border to our table. First, I will select all borders. Borders now appear on all cells in our table. You may be asking which is the right border to choose. The answer is, it depends. You will need to decide which border makes the most sense for your cells. This is something you will naturally build a feel for with time. Next, I will change the border color to this cornflower blue color since I like it better. Okay, I noticed the border color didn't change. This sometimes happens. I'm not sure why. How I usually fix this is by selecting the border type once again. The color change then takes effect. Finally, I will take a look at the border style options. I'm actually happy with this border style, so I will leave it as is. In this lesson, you learned how to add a cell border. We also learned about border options such as border types, colors, and styles.